Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video we'll be drawing a very cute snowman. We hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Before we get started we just need a few drawing materials. We need a marker or pen, something to write with, something to draw on, some paper and something to colour in. I like to use markers but you can use colouring pencils, crayons, whatever you like. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alright, so this snowman, I'm going to try and make him very cute. I think the first thing we'll start off with is we'll draw him wearing a hat. Normally, snowman wears sort of a top hat, so we're going to draw that in this corner here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start drawing a bit of an oval. So this will be the top of his hat, just like that. And then we're going to do two lines going down like that, and they'll run parallel to each other down here. And then we're going to draw another curve along the bottom there so that will close off. It kind of makes a cylinder sort of shape there. Okay, and then we'll draw another little line here as well, and that's just some detail on this hat. And of course we need a rim of the hat, so that's just basically another oval shape that will go around here like this. And it will go down like that. There we go, so we've got his top hat already. Now we're going to draw his face next, and it's basically just one big circle. Now we're going to leave a little gap at the bottom because I want to draw a bit of a scarf, but what we do is we can start up the top here, and we go round like this, nice and big, and we'll stop about there. And then we continue here, we'll leave a little gap and we'll go up here like this and around and joining the hat. So there you go, so there's his head, and what we'll do now is we'll go and draw some of the details on his face. Now of course snowmen, they have a carrot for a nose, or normally they have a carrot or a piece of coal, but we'll draw a little carrot on there. So it's basically just a little triangle. And we're going to draw a few lines on there just for some details. Alright, so now we're going to draw the eyes. Now the first thing with the eyes are, we normally do it in a big round circle or oval, but we're going to do it a little different. We're going to create a line like this, a slight curve to it. We're going to make him look like he's got really big chubby cheeks. And then we draw the eye around it like that. Okay. And then we'll draw the pupil inside, nice and big and round. And then I'll draw another two circles in there. And this will give it some highlight. Now you can colour this in a different colour if you want to give them different coloured eyes. I'm just going to paint, draw it in black. And we'll do the same thing on the other side there as well. So we'll start off with a little curved line, and then we draw our big circle like that, and then inside we draw another smaller circle like that. And again, two more smaller circles in here for some highlights, and I'll colour this in black. Again, you can do it over colour. There we go, looking great. Now, because he's a snowman, he's outside, and we want to make him look really cute. And I'll draw two little ovals here on his cheeks. And we can colour these in a little bit differently later. And this will make it look like he's got rosy cheeks. There you go, he's starting to look really good and really cute. So that's his head done. I think next we'll draw his scarf because he's out in the snow. He has to keep warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a nice curve like that. Again, we're going to leave a little gap in there because this is where we're going to tie the knot of the scarf and around the other side. Okay, so for the scarf, what we do is we just do a little line down here like this and a straight edge, and then we're going to do it's almost like an upside down J. We'll start here and we'll go down there like that. You can put some details on here. You can, when you colour this in, you can have nice patterns on it. I'm just going to have some detailing on the bottom there. And then just behind that, because the scarf has two ends, we're just going to draw another little triangle there so it looks like it's tied up in the back there. Okay, so there we go. The next part there is we're going to draw his body and his arms. Now he's got sticks for arms, so we'll make it look like a stick, but still kind of make it look like he's got fingers. I'm going to do a nice shape like this. There we go. So do one on that side, and then we do one on the other side as well. Same thing. Bit of a curve there, and straight. And then we'll give him 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then join that up and close that off. There we go. And then he's got 2 arms, or stick arms. And then we're going to draw his body. And the body is really easy. It's just one big circle. The circle is a little bit smaller than its head. Normally if you make the head bigger, it makes the character look cuter. So we're going to start from here. We'll go behind the arms. And then around like that. Keep going around. And then we'll go join up the other side like that. And then the last bit of detail we need is to put in some buttons. He doesn't have any shirt, but we'll put some buttons on there as well. Okay, and there you go. We've got our snowman all lined up. And next thing to do is to colour it in. So I'm going to fast forward this part. We'll see you back very soon. Okay, and we're all done. So it's all snowman is all coloured in. I think it looks really great. Now with the snowman, because it's made of snow, there's a lot of white. You can actually still add a lot of colour by adding shadow in there as well. You can also decorate the background. Maybe there's other snowmen or it's sort of a wintry theme behind it. So you can do all sorts of things. We hope you had lots of fun, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!